Hi friends, this is Akshay and welcome to you all on Careeredge. Today I am with more course opportunities provided by Udemy. And first one of Drones for Beginners 2020. Many of you demanded for the courses which improve your skills, and this match on your choice, and also this is completed in only 1.5 hours. And requirement for making this drone is not much more. You can manage from your home or from your nearby electronic shop. So this course is very nice, must join this. And the next course is Python Programming Beginners Tutorial, Python 3 Programming. And an additional information to you that link in the description have no course name. It is in the sequence which I mentioned in this video. So you must watch this full video to joining any course. There are 12 courses today, and here is the third. It is Hacker Extreme Advertisement Hacking. In this course is for computer science students. Total 1 hour course and also 1 article. And here what you will learn in this course: perform video SEO, create redirect links and other things. And here is the fourth, optimization using pattern search method, MATLAB programming. And what is in the course? There are 1 hour on-demand video and 37 download resources, means you have to read more for this course. And after that you also get a handsome certificate from Udemy. And here is the fifth, Bootstrap and jQuery certification course for beginners. No additional knowledge required for this course, and what you will going to learn in this course is how to create custom drop and down navigation, and also how to create collapse panels. And next is Agile project management. It is a nice course because already 36,500 students joined. And what you get here, it is very long course, 37.5 hours on demand video, means this course have a very much knowledgeful contents which and now on the next, that is of the complete nonverbal communication course, body language. It is for soft skills development and it is very important for interview purpose. This is the seventh course, and you get here non-verbal communication, body language, increase overall confidence, move with poise and speaking and presenting. So it is very much important for interview purpose. And next one of TEFL and IELTS. It is the 8th course, and what you get here, there are many practice tests which are for intermediate, upper intermediate students, and it is also accessible easily on your mobile. Now we are moving to the next one, that is 9th course, WordPress 5 Essential Training, Site Administration. As you know, WordPress used for website designing, and here what you will learn: adjusting settings, adding and managing users, managing comments and spam. And here it is also free. And next course is very important, functional fitness training, easy way to get shape at home. I first time consider this type of courses in my video because it is very necessary to become a mentally health prepared in this quarantine, so that you can not bored at your home. So these are the courses which are in sequence in description. Thanks for watching.